Welcome to JH. Today we are reviewing the Trust GXT 415 ZIROX, an affordable gaming headset that delivers more than you might expect. If you want a stylish, decent-sounding device that is easy on your wallet, this is a great choice. Starting with the design, it features a sharp, angular aesthetic available in several colors. It captures that gaming vibe perfectly without being too flashy. The build is quite light, making it ideal for extended gaming sessions. The ear pads use synthetic leather, which provides sufficient comfort for this price point. The controls are straightforward and effective. You will find a volume dial and a microphone mute toggle right on the left ear cup for easy access. Additionally, the 2-meter cable gives you plenty of flexibility to move around freely. Regarding audio, it performs well for casual play. While it lacks premium features like active noise cancellation or surround sound, the 40mm drivers produce crisp, impactful sound. In-game effects like footsteps and music are clear, and the voice chat quality is surprisingly good for a budget model. The microphone is fixed in place but performs reliably. It captures your voice clearly with minimal distortion, ensuring your teammates can hear you perfectly during intense matches or group calls. Ultimately, if you need a simple, attractive, and functional headset without a high price tag, the Trust GXT 415 ZIROX is a strong contender. It delivers solid performance without overcomplicating things.